Okay, so as I said, what my idea is, like there should be page like this, where I have a section at the top bar, where I should have a section to put logo at the top bar. Then I should be having some tabs, say food, health, similarly education. So I'm just putting in a short note, education, edu, EUC, correct? Edu is fine, education. And like this, I should have society, right? Then I should be having login, right? Login and sign up. So one for login. Oops. Okay, leave it. So login button and sign up. Let's put a text. Login and sign up. Sign up, right? That should be something in the header part. That's going to be our header. Okay, something like this should be a header. Should be our header. Now, what is the next thing that I am thinking is, again, guys, this is my design. Okay, but I am expecting you should come up. You should come up with your own design. Okay, it gets selected or rejected, that's a secondary thing, but do your level best and come up with the super fine design. Okay, so then I want some carousel should be there. Carousel, you understand carousel, guys? Do you guys understand carousel? Yes or no, team? Yes or no? Yeah, carousel, where the image used to float left and right, like this, right? And then I want people who are top top in the list means people who are totally active on this site, doing, let's say, social drives, doing education drives, correct? For every drive, for every good work, for every work what they do towards the society, they will be getting some claps. They will be getting some claps. So maximum claps, right? Max people who have maximum, who earned maximum claps or points will be at the top. Like picture of those people. What do you say? Should be or shouldn't be? Guys, what do you say? Is it a good idea or not? People who are doing good, right?
Sir,
Actually an asset of a
sir, I
country.
have a very
Tell me. Tell me.
sir. If we will add this type thing that people with maximum claps at the top, then it
Mhm.
will seem like more like a social site,
See, that is the
and we
idea.
don't want it.
No, no,
We
no,
can
no.
put it
That
at the
is.
down. Sir,
Mhm.
we can put it at the lower end.
But don't you think people who are doing the best, the people who are doing best for the society, best for their own country, correct, should be awarded, rewarded, at least with the credit like this. Give them the top position and show their picture so that people will appreciate them. I mean, they should get appreciated. Like these people are the cream, is the cream of our country. Like this, for every city, we'll have the top person. Every city, let's say top people of Bangalore, top people of, let's say Delhi, like that. This is my idea. Okay. And I'm fine if you come up with your own idea, no problem. That is what I'm saying. That is why I was not in a mood to tell my design, because then it will influence yours. What I want is you come up with your own design. No one is stopping you. It might be possible that your design is super cool and we'll go ahead with that, but I need things from you. That is why I was not initially wanted to put my idea in front of you. Got my point? And such things, as Sandeep said, yes Sandeep, you're right, these things will motivate people. Like tomorrow, right? Like people will get motivated. Like if I do good, for the society, my name will also come in the top. You won't believe when this application will be successful, when more and more people will be there in this application. You won't believe how many traffic this site is going to generate. You won't believe how many people will be coming to the site and like wanted to be a part of it. Like famous one, like Facebook. When you see Facebook, let's say this application, what do you call it, very famous nowadays, yeah, TikTok. If you see TikTok, have you seen these TikTok stars? No one knows them, few months back, but now, right? But now, I mean, it's like they're more famous than celebrities. And by doing what? By doing circus in front of people. Okay, let's not go into that direction. What I'm trying to say is, when you see more and more people engage with this site, this step, creating or showing the best people of the application, best people of the country, correct, at the top, is going to motivate people. That is what my idea is. Okay. Then some news type, what I guess Pinky or Meher, I don't know who spoken. Correct. It was Pinky or Meher. Right. So we'll be having Meher. Yeah. So we'll be having news site or news sections about what? Very simple. About health, let's say. Right. This section is about health, like this. HEALTH, health. Education. Got my point? Then food. And one more box I need to create for society. That was my idea of presenting a home page where there's no login, nothing. I mean, where user can see anything without login. At least the news, at least the user can see food, and finally society. So what is going to happen now is, when user will click on health, let's say health section, so user will be thrown to a health page where the list of older health drives, its successful stories, health drive stories, correct, blogs or pictures, right? People who went there, they treated people. I mean, doctors who went there, they treated people, they had chit chat with people, right? Underprivileged people, they taken pictures. So all that is part of story. So I mean, different I mean, we can pick the selective health drives, education drives, society drives, food drives on their respective pages, and we can show some story about it. And from there we can give a tab. Do you want to create a health drive? So create. So before creating, you go to login page, get login. If you're not, signed up, so first of all, get registered, login, create a story. You got no point? And this section, I can, sorry, this section I can use it for quick links, maybe, right? Quick links, top feeds, any kind of conversation forum we can start. Conversation forum. Have you seen conversation forum? People are chatting and it is populating. People are chatting, it is populating, right? Anything live happening. So that we can put. As of now, that is what I thought. Okay. Let me just take a screenshot. Let me just take a screenshot and host it. I mean, upload it. This is my idea. Oops, no. One second. This is my idea. Yeah. And of course, at the bottom, you will be having a footer. Okay. At the bottom, one second, guys. Just one second. Let me copy. Otherwise, it's still. I mean, again, it will go off. Copy. We will minimize. We go to GitLab. Okay. Already, you have posted. It seems like, right? Let me just clear the drawing. Okay. So login, then carousel. I don't know what this section is. So Pranshu, what you do is you put some names. Okay. Put some names. Give name to the area. What exactly you wanted to put. Okay. So I'm just uploading my suggestion link, or I can simply paste also. No. Can I paste? No. Can I paste? I need to save it and add it. Window control shift S. Window control. No. What did you say? How I can paste it? Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S. Okay, let's see. Windows Shift S. What happened? Leave. I'll rather save it on desktop. Okay. On desktop, I'm just saving it, and from there I will attach. WBN homepage. WBN home. Save. Minimize. Attach. Attach file. Desktop. WBN home. Where is? Yeah. Okay. Is it attached? Nope. What happened? Just one second. Comment and close issue. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it has attached, right? Correct. So this is my design. Correct, team? Is that clear? Now, one more thing I wanted to show you in real quick, 5 minutes, okay? So if we don't go with let's say this one, ready-made templates and all, okay? I'm fine with it. If you say we create our own, so how you can create your own? I have an idea for that also. There's a site called Bootswatch, okay? Bootswatch. It's a bootstrap site. Do you all know what bootstrap? First of all, I wanted to know this from you. Do you all know about bootstrap? Yes or no? All, everyone. Yes or no? All of you, right? Great. So what we can do is this is the site, and at this site you can see there are different themes, color themes, not template, color themes. So we can at least pick any one color theme, and we can on whatever mockup you guys will come up, and we'll decide finally that we are going to pick this mockup or that mockup. Maybe we'll combine the mockup or design of 2-3 people, come up with something unique. Okay. But color code, what is the color theme we are going to put? Is it a black color, blue color, orange color, which color? Right? That also I wanted from you guys. I want suggestions from you guys. I know different people has different suggestion, different color. For example, I like orange, you might like red or blue or something else. But think from We Build Nation perspective. What should be the color of We Build Nation? What should be the color? Should we go with the blue? Right? Should we go with green or what? Yes, Abhishek, go ahead. Ask your question.
Sir, first we have to decide about logo, how our logo should look like.
So for logo, for logo, there's a graphic team, and a logo, and I'll not put it on you, because then you need to understand how, if you wanted to create logo, then how to use Photoshop or something like that. Correct. And then if not Photoshop, then you will search on Google. I don't want to waste your time in that direction. Okay, if you want, yes, you can go with logo also. When I say homepage contain all these things. Okay. So let me just conclude 1 minute. I leave it on you. Okay. Let me just 1 second. For homepage, just 1 second. What I'm saying is, will edit, correct, and we put some description like to dos inside that, to dos, right? So we say logo, okay, logo, and home page mockup, which we already started, correct? Home page mockup, then home page mockup, logo, color theme, correct? So as of now, 3 things are coming in my mind. So I put these 3, okay, as a description, as a part of description. Save. So correct. If in future, correct, we get to know few more things that should be added, we'll add it over here in the list. So our home page story contain these 3 things which should be there: logo, home page mockup, and color theme. So for the color theme, I was saying that can we go, can we can check this site. This has no what you call it, template. Okay, this site is only for the color theme. So what I want is, when we use bootstrap with which color? with which color you want. So already in this side we have bootstrap with different color. You got my point? For example, simple blue color is like this. The simple blue color template where you'll have button like this, right? Table like this, pagination, typography, all these things. See? So from here only you can select darkly. It's like completely dark in this way. Minty will be like this. Minty. There is one which I liked. Let me just show you. United, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this one. How about this one? What do you say? This color? What is it, guys? So Pranshu is saying, I'm a VX design programmer. Can I do it? Yes, yes. If you wanted to do a logo, why don't? Why not? Why not? Please go ahead. You do that. So Pranshu has a question, sir. Can we give user experience with two-way light and dark mode? Yes, why not? We can. We can. So Rohit is saying yes, but with some less opacity. Why not? I mean, these things you can see. I'm just trying to put up options in front of you. If I will drive, I will drive. Then I will not ask you guys. What my motive is, just like Meher, us. Motive is you drive it. Okay. I will support you how to integrate all these things. You come up with 100 items and you say, sir, this is what we are thinking. I will arrange all these things. I will help you to arrange. I want this project to be done by you guys only. I should only guide you as an architect. Okay. So if you can create logo, come up with the logos. If you create mockups, yes, come up with the mockups. For color design also, color theme also, I'm saying, you go through with the site. This is one of the better sites where we have good color themes with Bootstrap. So we can, take a reference. And accordingly, you guys can suggest which color we should go with. There's one Yeti, like this. Right? I don't like sketchy, I guess it was, no sketchy. One more was there. I'm just forgetting the name. It was also very good. Okay, this I leave it on you. I'm saying you come up with the names, like what color theme we can go with. Okay, we'll see which one we'll pick. Got my point, guys? Did you get my point? Yes or no? Team, you're there? Okay, like this, you can search some other sites also for color themes. Okay, like like color themes for websites. Okay, color themes for web pages. So there can be many sites which will give you good color themes, and we need just color themes. We don't need template, right? As we already denied, as you all said, we will create our own template, sir. So I'm not going in that direction. Don't worry about it. No templates. We'll not pick any template, but color themes at least we need to pick. No, so which color? So for that, Sandeep is saying green as it symbolizes kindness and represent health as well. So see, come up with something like green bluish is good. Totally green is not eye soothing. Basically, it's not looks good to eyes. But yes, if you have good color, good green color theme, then fine, no problem. I mean, green color, whatever color you pick, it should what do you call it? It should be eye soothing. Correct? It should look good to eyes. So see this side, some mix up, yes. So see this side. I mean, see by doing this, what is going to happen is your UX and UI skills, your designing skills will get increased. As of now, you saw two sides just now. Boots watch, and this I'm showing. So now you got the reference of two sites where you can go and search and study about the colors, correct? So that is what is the learning curve in this project. So like this, you can basically go to different sites and see what best you can do. Okay, so they might have some color themes, correct? Deep blue and all. So see which one should look good, like something like this: yellow, red, pink, orange, right? Bright theme. All on you. All depends upon you. You say, see this one, it looks good. See, with different tabs, like food different color. Okay, how about this one? Food different color, education different color, health different color. How about combining these four colors: green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, and one more we can pick, right? Yellowish. What is your team? What do you say, team? Correct. So it's not like, take this one like size like this. I'm not saying take this one as it is or copy paste. I'm saying working or learning or going through with such sites will basically enhance your UX skills, designing skills, correct? Like this you will get an idea, just like I got an idea. Why don't we have four colors in our site? Every tab will have a different color: blue for, let's say, health; green for, let's say, food; orange for, let's say, education, correct? And something else for, let's say, society. That way I'm saying. Yeah, color combination. But obviously mixing has to be in a proper way, otherwise it will look like a clown. Okay. So we can check. There was one more site when we were searching best. See, 50 gorgeous color schemes. Best sites color scheme example. Trending color schemes. So when you study all these things, your UX skills will enhance. That is the beauty of the life project. See, I leave it on you guys. You come up with the suggestions, and we'll follow the same. See, different color codes, color balance. See, it's green. That's what I was saying. No, green, bluish, green. See, they have mixtured it. It should not be dark. That is for sure. Wow. Okay. See, see this one. See this one. Correct. And these are the shades. So we have dark, light, light. See how they have used it. So on the light color, they use the dark color as font. See this one? See this one? But it is a little darker. Some light color combination also should be there. Let's see 10 themes. Maybe this looks okay. This looks good. Okay. So you also try, and then obviously I will also be having something in my mind. So I'll also be keeping it. If let's say will not come to a common conclusion, if we don't agree on the common color theme, then I will apply mine. Then I have a veto power. I will override the situation. Okay, right? So there are sites you go search, come up with the color themes, and just put it in the ticket. No need to put in WhatsApp. Maybe if you wanted to show something which is very cool, and you want immediate discussion or immediate, let's say, suggestions from the team, put it on the WhatsApp group. Don't put it personally. Okay, if you chat something with me personally, it doesn't exist, trust me. Put it in the group so that everyone knows about it, so that anyone can comment and compliment or give suggestion basically. Okay, otherwise I will prefer put everything on the GitLab. This GitLab should be your living legend. Okay, for two reasons. One, everything will be in GitLab. Second, tomorrow the same GitLab you need to show it to, you know, HRs and to or to companies, isn't it? You will be sending this link, social networking, correct? People will see what you have done. For example, Pranshu Kumar has suggested this mockup, and let's say this has selected. Okay, Ajay has presented this mockup. Someone else has selected some other mockup. So how you will be showing all these things? You need some place. You cannot show WhatsApp group. Can you? Can you? No, right? Put everything in the story. That's it. Everything in the story. Even if you find some sites also, you put it in the story. Like here. Let me just show you. So I'm saying, for example, I'm saying these sites are good. So put over here. Let the team know. Let the team know that, you know, some sites are there which you can follow. Guys, are you getting my point? Are you getting a point? Now you understood how, now did you understand how we work in IT company? Have you started getting the taste of working like in an IT company? Yes or no? That's how we work. Simple. Now it is documented forever. No one can deny it, right? You cannot say, hey Ajay, you never suggested any site to me. Getting a point? It is documented. See? So that's how we work. Okay. Pranshu saying, what next? Pranshu, you are already in the express train, right? Not what next. Now it's a break. And now it's a break means now we are closing. So tomorrow we need to start on the homepage. Okay, homepage making. So you spend time today and tomorrow, come up with something, right? Let's see which one, you know, we'll pick, and we start working tomorrow on the same. You got my point? Understood? So tomorrow we'll take the mockup, take the color, apply Bootstrap, correct, and make a responsive web page in Angular, responsive home page in Angular for our application. Okay. So I hope you liked today's session. I hope you understood, right, everything. So yes, Mohit, tomorrow is the session. Actually, I didn't take it on Monday, so that's why Monday session I shifted to Tuesday. Otherwise, Wednesday, Friday, it'll go, you know, with its, on its fixed time. And the meeting link will also be the same, which you already have you have through Google Calendar. Okay, not this link. So Mehboob is saying, can we create homepage as design? I didn't understand this part. Can we create homepage as design? As I have proposed, design. Yeah, why not? That's what I'm saying. No, if tomorrow you don't come up with a proper design, or you don't come up with, let's say, design which is very appealing and, you know, very good looking and very promising, then the design which I have created, it's already, you know, super cool. So then, as I said, I will use my veto power and, you know, propose and select this design, my design. Okay. So if no one come up with a design tomorrow, we'll go with this design. But on the same note, I wanted to say, let's say after a few days, you say, or you come up with seriously a good design, which is a challenging one. Challenging one means which is challenging the current design. I am fine with changing the design. Trust me, I am fine with that also. Whatever is the best, we'll pick that. Simple. Okay. Okay. Right, team? All good? Super. So let me then close the session. Tomorrow we'll meet same time, 6:30. Please log in 6:30 sharp. Okay, we'll start at 6:30 sharp. Pranshu saying, after all, we are dealing with the components. I didn't understand this part. Yes, we are dealing with the components. Maybe I didn't understand your question, Pranshu. No issues. No issues. So yeah, correct. So now I understood. Yes. So what Pranshu is trying to say is, we have components, correct? So if let's say we created a component and the design is not looking good on that, so yes, we can change the HTML, we can change the design. In fact, if we want to maintain different components, so for theming perspective or from theming point of view, we can create 3-4 home pages of different design, which we can dynamically choose. Okay, so all these are in the future. Don't worry about it. All these things will come. Dynamic theming, there's that. Whatever you have in your mind will implement everything. Okay. So finally, tata bye bye. We'll meet tomorrow and finish it. Okay. Bye team.